Zero Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, my name is Pranjal Lodha, student of first year diploma in computer engineering, Zil Polytechnic Pune. Subject is basic electronics. My topic is circuit of half-wave rectifier with capacitive input filter under the guidance of Preeti Gaikwad. Half-wave rectifier with capacitor filter. The circuit diagram shows half-wave rectifier with capacitor filter. The filter is applied across the R load. Output of R load is V load and current through I load. Current through the capacitor is IC. The positive half cycle of input AC voltage, the diode will be forward bias and thus starts conducting. Capacitor starts charging to maximum value of supply voltage. Capacitor is fully charged. The holds charge input AC supply of negative half cycle. Negative half supply is reached, then diode get reverse biased, thus stop conducting. All stored changes through output R load. R load and capacitor are the same and they decrease with the time constant. Half-wave rectifier capacitor filter waveform. In this diagram, value of discharge time is constant, being large, and capacitor not have time to discharge properly. Thus, value of R load time will also high. Value is less output of R load. The value of capacitor play an important role in the output ripples and average DC level. Capacitor value is high, the amount of charge can be high and the amount will be less. The value of current depends on manufacturer of the diode and limits to certain value. Ripple F actor. In this diagram, the filter capacitor is replaced across the resistance R load. The whole working is much similar to half-wave rectifier. The difference is two pulses of current will change and capacitor alternate positive and negative half cycle. The load current reduces by smaller amount before next pulses is received to current waveform below. LC filters. We have concluded that the capacitor will reduce the ripple voltage but diode current increases. Large current change diode and decrease the efficiency of the filter. Choke input L section filter. Capacitor filter has inversely proportional ripple factor with respect load resistance. L section filter of inductor connected in series with half and full rectifier and capacitor across load. This arrangement is called choke input filter. In this circuit diagram, waveform of full wave rectifier output and its DC resistance is small and AC is large. N filter. The rectifier used can be half and full wave and capacitors are usually large in size. The filter is divided into two capacitor filter and L section filter. C1 filtering in circuit remaining ripples as removed by L section. RC filter. In this circuit, ripples have to be made drop across the resistance R instead of load resistance. This means each section reduces the ripple by a factor of at least 10. There is a large voltage drop in the resistance. The circuit also develops a lot of heat and has to be dissipated through ventilation. Thank you.